Welcome to segment 3 of the CED Virtual Plant Tour, Engineering, Prototyping, and Testing. Here we bring engineering to the next level through a multi-step process: fine-tuning design, testing, further refining, and production planning to ensure 100% program success. The process begins with strategy planning, reaffirming performance specs while exploring ways to improve appearance, part life, and also avoid any potential patent infringement. With concept approved, we deploy CAD technology to create first-pass CAD solutions to guide the actual machining, including perspective drawings, 3D-styled renderings, and cross-section views as needed. If required, a dimensionally accurate, functioning prototype can then be created using our in-house rapid 3D printing, or using one-off CNC machining as testing needs dictate. From here, a full evaluation of all functional and aesthetic characteristics identifies any further refinement needs. With final plans solidified, the entire process is documented, and machine setup can begin for meeting program supply demands. Our engineering support continues as first-run inventory is scrutinized by both our engineering and quality assurance teams, measuring, testing, and evaluating to assure expected results, and also to identify any areas that could be tweaked for machining efficiency and cost reduction. The value of CED's engineering knowledge and planning process really can't be overemphasized. Next up on our tour is a visit to the heart of our operation, our expansive CNC machining floor.